Just have a look at that. It's a Katana Co. Limited Japan driver. 10.5 degree by Sword. Pretty rare. Even more rare, the Fujikura shaft it comes with. So we're going to hit it because we got sent it from Linc Golf, which I will link in the description. Seamless. And in the words of Liam Gallagher, we want to play in the sunshine. But it's no, it's not happening. Right, so let's have a sleep. Ooh. This, honestly, this is a Japanese issue. Fujikura. Sky blue. It's a, I need to get my glasses on. I think this means it's a soft tip shaft. It's supposed to be very similar to the Accu flexi thing, or the, I can't remember the one. John will know what I'm on about. The one that's about 500 quid. Right, so let's have a hit with it. It's got a kind of, I don't know, it's got a kind of blue shimmer through the paint. Oh, lime. That feels good. Good sound off it, eh? Good sound. That's like a, ooh, that's a bit ding. It's like one of those, it's not quite a cobra, is it? But out in the middle. I like how, you won't be able to see it, but it sits very, very square. So with the driver, the gate is a lot bigger because it's a longer club. And let's give it another whack. Oh, a wee bit low in the face, that one, I think. Maybe slightly low. Felt good though. No, just a wee bit low. Just a wee bit. Kanaka, the sword. That's actually a samurai sword, in case you're wondering. Big in Japan. Oh, blimey. This, I tell you, this feels very responsive. I put a mid-size grip on it. We've got a video coming out about the pitfalls of buying grips online, and it's not the most uplifting video, but it will save you time, it will save you money in the long run, and it will save you grief. Just don't do it. Wait for the video, you'll see everything that's wrong with golf right now. Right. Great running shoes, because you're really feeling the middle part, and because of running shoes you get a lot of, especially these ones, your heels strengthen so you can feel the movement. Great for the driving range. So I like to set it, check it, gate it. Oh, blimey. that feels, not only does it feel fast, it also feels really responsive off the face. And they are coming out in the middle. Now it's got two back weights on it, quite low. And the idea is obviously to protect it from twisting. At the same time, you give it a bit of a high launch. To definitely feel that it's doing that. And it's feeling fast off the face. Oh yeah. We got low that one, but I still felt it was good. Right, so maybe add a couple of shots in. What we'll do is maybe have a few. Thanks for watching. Sword, SWORD. That's the manufacturer. Well, the brand of the driver, but it's Katana Co Limited Japan. So it's very much the same as the Callaway Black Legacy. That was a Japanese edition. And the good thing about the Vega as well is a Japanese edition. The shafts are just second to none on the Japanese clubs. And the Japanese make the best shafts. And those in the know, this Fujikura is probably one of the most desirable shafts ever made by them. So, thanks for watching. We'll try and get some shots in and blend it in.